Hello, everyone. As many of you know, ChatGPT has just released the DALL-E 3 beta for the Plus users. Okay, so when you are on the 3.5, you don't have access to it. When you're on Plus users, you click GPT-4. You can to browse advanced analysis plugin. I'm gonna go for DALL-E beta. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to do something for me. I'm gonna say African girl, maybe in the river, and then enter. Just wanna see what we got here. As you can see, it says creating images. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. Taking time. Creating. There you go, it's done. Wow, I like it. Let's open it. Wow, it's not bad, eh? But 4 images. Ooh, this is so nice. So nice. I like it. I like it. I love this one. I love this one. It's absolutely not bad. So you can copy the image. I'm gonna save this somewhere because I love this one. I'm gonna use this one as my thumbnail. Actually, I'm gonna save this one here. Okay, not bad. Absolutely. Let me try other thing. I'm gonna say beautiful African child. Enter. See what we got. Wow, look what we got here. Damn, not bad. Like it. I like it. Wow. Let's try another thing. The last one. Let's see what we got. Yes, look what we got. Wow, this is so nice. So nice. I like it. I like it. Absolutely nice. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.